rain for today. We're going to try to catch some cobia. We got a great sunrise. You can see sun's coming up about 7:15 in the morning. Me and Robert going out today. Part 2, going to try to catch some cobia.
To the top. Oh, he's coming to the top. There he is, there he is, there he is. Big cobia.
Big one?
Big cobia.
Oh, dude, there's another one with him. Or a shark.
No, that's a cobia with him. Oh, it's not shark. Look, look, look. Is that legal?
I don't have any idea. We're going to get it. I can't tell.
Yeah, that looks illegal, but get the net. Get the net, get the net. I'm going to swoop him right in there. I hope it's not a shark that was underneath him.
It looks like it was a shark following him.
All right, I'm going to turn it.
Easy, easy.
I am.
Go easy.
I'm going to turn him to put him in the net. Oh, wait, down. No. No. Oh,
easy.
I am. Yeah, he's
seen that net, said the hell with that.
Yeah, I know. I just don't want to get wrapped in my line. Yeah, I got him. Get away from there. I need you. Okay, ready? Ready, I'm pull towards you. I'm bring towards you. Oh. No. You don't want to.
You know what? My security system.
Time he sees the net, he's gone.
Head in the water.
I'm secure. And when I wake up in the morning, I grab my phone, I hit the button, it goes right in.
Don't come on. Please don't come on. You want to gap him? You think he's legal? No, let's just
We're struggling with this net.
I know.
Exactly how you fight today's modern criminals. You can use that cheap DIY equipment that runs on the Wi-Fi, cheap cameras.
All right, here we go. Ready? Get him in there. Oh, Lance, get him in there. Pick up. Yes!
Low pitch, taking drag on a sardine colored slow pitch. Braid the floor, braid right to the damn lure. Good fish right here.
San Agustin entrance, hash nav, distance 12 pump, 157, that's your minutes out.
Going towards the motor. I know I see that. Let me get you over there. Oh, under the boat.
There it is. Oh, look at this cobia.
Whoa,
cobia.
Big cobia. Oh, yeah. Yeah?
It's underneath me. Oh, there's like 5 of them with him. Look at this.
Oh, that's a big cobia.
There was 5 of them with him.
This thing should be big.
It's fine. Hooking from underneath and up to the top like I did. Dude. Megan. There's 5 with him. Take hold. This is my biggest personal best cobia. Fine, bro. Just hooking from underneath.
That's right.
Right there. Just hooking. Oh, come on.
Dude, it's this.
No, just get him, man.
Get his way out.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
No, bring his head up. Slow down. Oh yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
There's a fucking sick hook in him too. Dude,
Lay him on the deck, bro.
Damn, that's a big fish.
Oh shit, here, I got the gas. Woo!
Dude!
You think he's legal?
36? Yeah, dude.
Here, can you
Measure him up.
let's get the hook out, bro. Got it?
Yeah.
Let go of it.
36. Dude, that boy's pushing 40s. Here, put that back.
Big cobia. Bleeding everywhere. Big grouper.
Come on. Come on, I barely got him in the corner of the mouth. He's floating. You can net him. All right. Hang on. Hit the net. Yes.
Big grouper.
Woo!
Looky here.
Look at that.
Biggin.
Throw that
Biggin.
back up a little bit. Look at that.
Good job, Robert.
Look at that fish.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Got him in before the sharks got him.
Hell yeah.
It's on.
It's on.
All right.
It's one beep. It's on. Pointed at me. Decent
I
fish.
got it pointed at you. That is a good fish. Got some good rod bend in that.
That medium rod.
That's a good fish.
Get the net.
Oh, looks like a good grouper. Let's see. Slow. Right in over here.
Got to extend it.
Oh shit. I'm there. That's a keeper. Oh, good job, Lance. Good job. Get some of that line. It's got that rod boat over.
Tsunami rod.
It's a good rod, but don't got much backbone. That fish is going out.
What's he doing that for?
I don't know.
Huh?
You got something different. He's going out, away from the boat. He's not coming straight up. Might have a king. You might have a king. He's going out. He's running.
Oh, it's a cobia.
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 Cobia. All right, let me get. Yeah. Okay, hang on a second, bro.
The cobia, big one.
I saw it.
Get the gaff.
All right, hang on. Let me get this top rod. You're going right into it.
He's under it. Don't worry about it.
He's under it.
Yeah, get the gaff.
All right, I get the gaff. That's a cobia. Big
Cobia.
one. Put that camera on.
They're fine. They'll fill out. Look at the pogies. Pogies. Net pogies today. With Kevin. Fishing with Kevin today. All the guys, all the boats, everything here. Just a little south of the pier. Catching pogies. There's a net up front in the front compartment. Going offshore today.
See, there's a jack or a grouper, I think.
That's probably a... Don't call it. Jinx it. What?
Gone. Shouldn't you said jinx, damn it.
Kevin's got one on here. Off the bottom rig. Pogie. 7/0 hook. 4-ounce weight. Hopefully. It's a beautiful pin reel.
Thank you.
That was right on the bottom, wasn't it? Yeah,
Just feels like a grouper.
that'd be nice. He's not doing like that barracuda. That barracuda was all over the place.
It's either a grouper or a jack.
Big red snap. Oh my gosh. Look how big he is.
Damn, I really thought that was a freaking... We gotta bent this one.
Yeah, I got a bent. He's huge. He's a big one, Kevin. Hold him over here so I can see him. Get a video. Here, I want to get a video of him. Look at that. Jesus. That's the big one. Here's the bent. Free lining. Pogie, live pogie on a wire leader. Just got hit out the back of the boat. In case you need to stand up. Hopefully that ain't no damn barracuda.
I hope not. Unless it's a kingfish or a tuna. Oh, it just came off.
Did it?
Yeah.
This one up. It's not as big as them other ones. Uh-oh. Hope it ain't a barracuda, damn it.
No, it's not a barracuda. It would have jumped. It's either a snapper. I think it's a snapper. Or a jack.
It's full of little drag, ain't he? There's the spade fish.
He's coming.
Barracuda.
It is a cuda. Wow.
Grab them scissors, will you?
Yep.
It's a cuda. Don't want any part of that. I wonder if that's what was cutting me off. This ain't as big as some of them other ones. I'm fine.
Like you gap or anything?
Ah. Fish on here. Pogie, live pogie on the bottom. 107 feet of water. It's from another snapper. What the hell is this? Amberjack?
Almaco.
Almaco?
Almaco or an amberjack? Maybe amberjack.
He fought a little different, you could tell. Oh, look at that shark. 80 feet of water. Here we go. This is on a frozen mullet. I haven't got anything on Boston so far. Pretty good fish. Pretty good fish. There's some color. Some color. That's a red snapper. On a knocker rig. Little knocker rig going here today. Solo trip for me today. Robert's out the west coast. So decent snapper.
Decent fish here. Uh-oh, yeah. Decent fish. 76 feet of water moving around on this little spot here. 82 up on the hump. Caught this one on top of this little hump here, 6-foot hump. It's probably a snapper. I couldn't get lucky and be a big grouper. Caught that snowy earlier. This is a red snapper. Boston. Decent red snapper. As you can see right here. Knocker rig. Not the biggest I've ever caught, but you know, it's a fish. He ate it good too. 5-aught hook. Wind's starting to come up. Gonna have to go in here shortly. There he goes.
Aha, I got you turned, bitch. What do you think of that? Who's got you now? Little fucker. Guarantee he's gonna smoke when he gets close to this boat.
Just threw a live pogie out the back of the boat. You got picked up a wire leader on it.
Pretty sure big barracuda. Yeah.
Easy with it. Easy.
See me staying straight down. I don't remember barracuda staying straight down, bro. You know, I remember going way out from the boat, but I guess we'll see here.
Take it easy.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I guess he ain't done. Yeah, he ain't done. With that big, huge head shake. Yeah, he ain't done. Yeah. All right. When you gaff him, you're gonna keep him in the water, right? Or you gonna throw him on here, on the deck?
We'll see. I don't know.
I want to know if you gaff and you throw him on the deck, I'm moving.
Yeah, well, we got a bunch of hooks. You got shoes. I'm barefooted.
It's Florida's line too that I get.
Florida fishing product?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I like their line. It's not the cheapest, but it's nice. It's a good line. I got this guy hanging. Oh. There you go. Turn around.
You see him?
Nope. I just. Oh, there I see him. Big barracuda.
He's silver.
It's a big,
Wait.
What you see there?
I
Don't
see
tell me that's a
Cobia.
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 That is a cobia.
It's a
It's
cobia.
a cobia.
Cobia.
On the top of the. Oh, a big cobia. Keeper.
Easy.
Keeper.
We'll see when we get him here.
All right.
It just got to be 37 to the fork. He's good size, bro. Really nice.
That's
Easy.
more than 37.
Easy.
All right, I'm gonna get him up again. Wait. Let me just turn him around.
One more circle.
Hang on.
I can't believe it.
Cobia came to the top. Now I should loosen my drag though, so I don't wear him out through the hole. Oh, should I loosen the drag or no?
Just come up with it. Come up with it.
Yeah.
I'll get him with this guy.
You turn him around. Coming to you. Coming to you. Oh. Wait. A little closer. Hang on.
He's out there. I don't want.
Dude, that's a big cobia.
I want to get him on the bottom and up.
You see how
He's thick he is.
You see how thick he is? Yeah.
It's a nice cobia.
All right, let me get a couple cranks. Get him a little closer. Oh, I hate when they do that. Turn around. Back up. Pull him up to the top. Get him. Oh, it's all right.
Have you seen it?
It's all right. Let me turn him around again.
He's seen the gap. You see that? Just as soon as I went down and was coming up, he took off.
It's all right. Let me get him where he's not looking. Let me get him a little higher out of the water where he's not looking. So he can't see down. Put the gaff underneath him and then.
Yeah, I am. Oh, yeah. He's thick.
He's fucking real thick. Okay, hang on. Up. Oh, you got him. Oh, bring him in here, muscle him. Yeah.
Oh, look how big he is.
That's a big old
Look
cobia.
at that.
Look how thick he is. Hell yeah.
Look at that cobia. Nice.
On the top of the water with a
Live
pogie.
pogie, wire leader.
Thought it was a barracuda. Nice. Dude, this little reel held up pretty well.
I told you.
We cut the wire.